Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'll show you how to create split screens in CapCut. Now before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. So first things first, drag all the media onto your timeline where you want to create a split screen on. Highlight all the clips, split them so they're all the same length. Right, so now we have 5 clips all the same length on our timeline. And what we want to do is we want to highlight the first clip here, come to the right hand side, select video, then cutout, then mask, and we want the mirror mask. Then you want to spin the mask to -85 degrees. And you want to adjust the mask over the subject. Then move the video over to the left. And then you want to carry this on with all the video clips on the timeline. And you can make slight adjustments to the masks as you go. I recommend doing it roughly at first. Then later on you can make slight adjustments like this. And once you're happy with all the masks and you're happy with how the split screen looks, I'll just leave it like that for now. It's not perfect, however, just for this demonstration, I'll leave it like this. Then once we've done that, you want to adjust and change the position of all the clips. Now we'll use this middle clip here as our key clip. Then you want to move the first one above it slightly ahead on the timeline. Then the one above that slightly ahead a little more. Then you want to match the positions with the clips underneath. So the first one like that, the same length. Then the second one, the same length as the top one. So now they're all in like an arrow shape. Then what we need to do is highlight the middle clip, come to the right hand side, select animation, and then put a slide right animation. And we want to do this with the top 2 clips also. So highlight them, slide right. Then, so here, so as we can see, that's starting to look okay. But now with the bottom 2, let's highlight them and then select slide left. Now if we watch that, that looks much better. However, it's a little quick, so we can highlight each of the clips and turn that duration to 1 second or longer. Let's just make it 1 second for now. And as you can see, that looks much better. At any point, you can come into the masks and make adjustments, as you can see, to make the split screen look even better. However, I think that looks okay. Showing you this demonstration, you can fiddle about to make yours look even more perfect. But that's how to create a split screen in CapCut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.